Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Ps4 is updated and you have the account email and password. First, sign into your account on the Ps4 you want to share from. This registers that console. Once done, go to Settings, then Account Management to activate as your primary Ps4. This step allows other users to access your games. Make sure to disconnect unnecessary devices, and note that deactivating on the old console might be needed if you hit the account limit. Now enable console sharing on the target Ps4. Log into your account and navigate to Settings, Account Management, activate as your primary Ps4, then confirm activation. This grants licenses to other local users. Next, on that console, download or install the games you want shared. Downloads require your account to remain on the machine while installing. Once installed, sign out of your account and let other local profiles access the shared games. Make sure automatic downloads and updates are enabled, so finish by signing out and testing with a local profile to confirm access to your library. This proves sharing works. If you encounter license errors, deactivate any old primary Ps4s tied to your account from the original console or via Web Account Management, then reactivate the correct one. Once done, restore licenses in Settings Account Management if purchases fail to launch. One key tip: if games still won't start, sign back into your account briefly and launch the game, then sign out again to refresh the license cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.